This video is about something flawed, heavily textured, and of course, vintage. And we can see it everywhere, from fashion to graphic design. Designers are trying to remake the aesthetics of the past generations of designs. I mean, we're talking about a time when this guy was young. Back then, movie titles looked like this, mostly in colors like red, yellow, and orange, with bold and distinct typography that was in contrast with the soft, washed-out look of the film itself. So, if we're going back in time to find some beauty, Pixflow is going to join the flow. And that's the reason behind the Vintage Movie Titles pack. As you can see, the pack comes with dozens of old school design titles, 30 to be exact. And they follow the design patterns of the classic movies, crafted for After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop. There are also some film grain and light leak elements in the pack to help you create the vintage look you want in your video. And using the pack is fairly easy. All you have to do is to drag and drop the title comp on top of your footage. Then to change the text and colors, you can open the comp and do it from the effect controls of the settings layer. And every layer that makes this whole scene is there to be altered if you like. The light leaks and film grains are also easy to use because they are overlay videos and can be used in any editing software you work with. Just drag them on top of your video and change the blending mode. If you'd like to see the full tutorial on the Vintage Movie Titles pack, check the video from here. And if you're interested in the pack itself, check the link in the description and use this coupon code to get your hands on it with 20% discount. Enjoy!